The Astro AI Car Window Cleaner is the perfect tool to keep your windows looking spotless. Whether washing your entire car or just clearing window streaks, this handy tool easily wipes surfaces clean. Reusable microfiber pads are included to finish the job without interruption. It's universally compatible with all vehicles, from cars, trucks, and SUVs. The telescoping pole makes it easier to reach the far edges of your windshield. Twist the handle to extend the cleaning tool. Twist again to lock into place. Its design allows full contact on both interior and exterior glass and can rotate 180 degrees to ensure every inch is covered. The convenient carry bag makes it easy to stow on the go, so you'll always have it within reach. The Astro AI Car Window Cleaner is lightweight and compact to keep you going on all of life's adventures.
Hi, I'm JC with Invisible Glass, and today we're going to show you the quickest and easiest way to get streak-free glass with the Invisible Glass Reach and Clean tool. Without the Reach and Clean tool, you're left up to the old way of doing things. We got to scoot up, reach around, break your back, all over your car. And the problem with this is when you're grabbing it like this, you're not making a flat surface like the Reach and Clean tool does, and that can lead to streaks. So to demonstrate, we already have a bonnet on this Reach and Clean tool. And to get, again, with back against the chair, I can reach the entire way down this windshield. And we actually want the flat part of the head down at the edge in the deepest part. This flat edge can reach the entire way across the bottom, and then you can use the points to reach the corners, across the top, around your rear view mirror, around the perimeter, down the corner, and then you're going to want to drive your glass cleaner in vertical motions top down across your entire windshield. So that's the best way in one arm's reach to get your entire windshield. Typically, the inside of your windshield is not a very dirty spot. There's some off-gassing, especially if it's a new car. Smokers' cars or vape cars, they have some residues, things like that. You might have some dog prints or fingerprints, but luckily it's not a lot of heavy soils. So you don't want to over-apply glass cleaner. I prefer to spray directly onto the microfiber pad, so then there's no chance of overspraying your dashboard. Some people prefer that, and that's about all the amount of glass cleaner you need for a relatively clean windshield. Anything more than that, you're gonna have to pick up. Anything you put on your windshield, you're gonna have to pick back up with this microfiber. So start with a small amount, and again, use the technique we talked about. Go around the perimeters, around your rear view mirror, and then just drive that glass cleaner in vertical motions across the entire surface of your windshield. And again, if it's dirty, if it's a really dirty windshield, you might have to use it 2 or 3 times. If you're doing that, make sure that this bonnet is staying relatively dry. If it's oversaturated, you're never gonna get that last bit of glass cleaner and soil off of your glass. So if you need to change it, again, remember for a dry one, quick flip on a dry, and then that'll help get the remaining residue off. Again, only if you have a really dirty windshield. Also keep in mind that the Invisible Glass Reach and Clean tool works great on all hard to reach glass. So your rear glass, sunroofs, big truck glass, and all around your home. It works great in all these hard to reach locations. The Reach and Clean tool is also great for cleaning under side window deflectors. Other than that, those are the most common issues people have with this. Let us know how you like this tool, and please leave a review. Thanks a lot.
Hey guys, so today I'm going to be doing a little review thing on this windshield window cleaner tool that I got. I actually really like it. I put everything back in this bag so you can see it comes with a nice little carry case. So It's got microfiber drying cloths. It actually comes with 3 of them. This is kind of what's going to really take off all the dirt and whatnot. I've got, comes with a window cleaner bottle. I just filled it up with random cleaning solution. Then it's got this sponge. So you open up the sponge after you spray your window down. And it is nice that this kit literally comes with everything you need. So you don't have to, you know, use a dirty sponge that could scratch your window or something. So we've got our sponge out. Take your cleaning solution. And I'm just going to do a little spot here. Scrub it down. And then this is the cleaning tool. It actually extends. Gives you plenty of reach for like corners of the windshield and even on the outside and whatnot. And voila. Obviously I still need to do the outside, but the inside is so much cleaner now that I've got this. Great little tool. Really like the extending feature because like I said, corners of windshields, you can reach all the way down in there if you've got a long dashboard or whatnot. Great product. Definitely gonna get some use out of it.
Hi, my name is Lisa. This is my favorite windshield cleaner. It's very easy to use and super convenient. You can take it anywhere with you. So it also comes with 2 microfiber cloths. It comes with a cleaner and it comes with this detachable handle, which is very easy to take off. You just push these 2 little buttons and you also just push them back when you try to put it back as well. And you can fit it in the glove box and pretty much anywhere. So to clean, you just spray the cleaner. And you could just spray along the car, inside or outside, or anywhere you'd like to. And you just run this across. And the cloth is very soft, so it helps prevent scratches and gets all that dust and dirt and cleans really, really well. So you just go like that, just a couple times, and that's all you really need. And yeah, it cleans really, really well. And look at all that dirt that it picked up right here. And this is why it's my favorite windshield cleaner. Thank you.